Okay. We're never in a good mood on the same day. Hi, today we are going to show you how to use the Singer Momento to cut SVG files. We really like the Singer Momento because you are able to cut really large pieces. Their largest mat is 24 by 24 inches, so it's huge. You can cut really large applique pieces on it.
And this one's well loved. Not a ton of cutting on it. So we're gonna do our little Meags and Me mini. We're gonna cut some of these dogs out. We're gonna bulk cut 10 dogs.
Let's see, this is
what we're going to do today.
Today we're working on our Sniff mini embroidery project. These patterns come in small packages like this, and we are going to prepare a few kits to include pre-cut applique shapes ready to fuse and go. So let's open it up and take a look inside. The first pages include the main embroidery design and the templates for cutting applique pieces. To access the SVG files for cutting, scan the provided QR code. I'm going to use my phone. This opens up a file sharing website with 2 folders, all pieces and individual pieces. I'm choosing the all pieces folder to start, but the individual pieces folder is included for mistakes, or if, for example, you'd like the 2 dog legs in different fabrics. But since I'm going to be making 10 of these, I'm choosing all pieces to cut in bulk. We're starting with the dog body file, which we will cut from our blue houndstooth fabric. Okay, I'm going to select the whole all pieces folder, and I will airdrop them to my computer and save them on my desktop. Now, over on the computer, I've opened up my Sonnet crafting software. I'm using the 24 by 24 inch mat since I want to cut as many dog bodies as possible. Click the picture icon at the bottom and then click Insert from Device. I will open the All Pieces folder on my desktop and click the dog body file and then click Open. Next, we have a few options. Because we want to cut, we will convert this file to cut paths. This places the shape on our virtual mat where I can move or duplicate it. So because I'm making multiple, I'm going to copy and paste it 10 times. You can move the pieces around on the mat as needed. I'm not going to worry about that because this machine can automatically do that on the next screen. So we'll click Send to Machine, which we've named our machine Betty, and click the right mat size. And then we're going to click on the rotary blade. Before we cut, we are going to click Rearrange to reduce waste, which will automatically organize the shapes effectively on the mat. Once that's done, I'll click Next and adjust the settings. This is kind of trial and error, but we like to keep the speed the same and just increase the force slightly. Then we'll send the file to our machine. We've prepped our fabric with FlexiFuse, which is our favorite fusible web. We've ironed that to the wrong side of the fabric and then placed the fabric paper side down on the mat, smoothing out all the wrinkles and making sure it is really secure. We'll load it onto the machine, just align it with the guides and then press load directly on the machine. Once the cutting is complete, unload the mat and begin peeling away that excess fabric, leaving the shapes in place. If the mat is new or extra sticky, we just go slowly and carefully. We'll do this for all the applique pieces. Thanks for watching. See you next time.